Dental plaque is a common issue that can lead to various oral health problems if not managed properly. While traditional oral hygiene practices like brushing, flossing, and professional cleanings are essential, there is growing interest in the role of diet, particularly fermented foods, in reducing plaque buildup. Let's examine the pros and cons of using fermented foods to combat plaque and maintain oral hygiene. What are fermented foods? Fermented foods are those that have undergone a process of lactofermentation, where natural bacteria feed on the sugar and starch in the food, creating lactic acid. This process not only preserves the food but also enhances its nutrient profile and adds beneficial bacteria, known as probiotics. Common fermented foods include 1. Yogurt. 2. Kefir. 3. Sauerkraut. 4. Kimchi. 5. Miso. 6. Tempeh. 7. Kombucha. Pros of fermented foods for reducing plaque buildup. Antimicrobial properties. 1. Inhibition of harmful bacteria. Probiotics in fermented foods can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth that contribute to plaque formation. 2. Production of antibacterial compounds. Compounds such as bacteriocins produced by probiotics can kill or inhibit the growth of plaque-forming bacteria. Improved oral microbiome. 1. Balanced oral flora. Consuming fermented foods can help maintain a healthy balance of oral microbiota, which is crucial for preventing the dominance of pathogenic bacteria that form plaque. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Probiotics can reduce inflammation in the gums, which can help in preventing periodontal diseases. Nutritional benefits. 1. Vitamins and minerals. Fermented foods are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, K, and B, which are beneficial for overall oral health. 2. Enhanced bioavailability. The fermentation process can increase the bioavailability of nutrients, making them more accessible for the body to use. Natural and safe. 1. Fewer side effects. Compared to chemical mouthwashes and dental products, fermented foods are natural and generally safe for regular consumption. 2. Additional health benefits. Besides oral health, fermented foods contribute to better digestion, improved immune function, and overall wellness. Cons of fermented foods for reducing plaque buildup. Inconsistent effectiveness. 1. Variability in probiotic strains. Not all probiotic strains are effective against oral pathogens. 1. The strains present in different fermented foods may vary, leading to inconsistent results in plaque reduction. 2. Concentration differences. The amount of probiotics in fermented foods can vary, affecting their efficacy. Dietary concerns. 1. Allergies and intolerances. Some individuals may be allergic to certain ingredients in fermented foods, such as dairy in yogurt and kefir, or may have histamine intolerance. 2. Taste and preference. The strong flavors of some fermented foods may not be appealing to everyone, making consistent consumption difficult. Limited scientific evidence. 1. Need for more research. While some studies suggest benefits, more comprehensive research is needed to establish a clear link between fermented foods and plaque reduction. 2. Variable study designs. Existing studies often use different methodologies, probiotic strains, and dosage forms, making it hard to compare results. Complementary approach required. 1. Not a substitute for dental hygiene. Fermented foods should complement, not replace, traditional oral hygiene practices. 1. Proper brushing, flossing, and regular dental checkups are still crucial. 2. Potential for over-reliance. Relying solely on fermented foods without maintaining other aspects of oral hygiene could be detrimental.